You guys won't believe what just happened to me. Check it out. I'll just show you guys. Got a dude working on some scoots right here. This guy's gonna show me his bikes. Konnichiwa. Exclusive bike. Awesome. That's crazy, man.
Are you from?
United States. Connecticut.
America.
Yes, America. Beautiful, beautiful. You did everything yourself? You did everything?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's sick. Got dirt bikes. This guy's awesome. We got a bunch of whole shop back here. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. Oh yeah, you got more? Yeah, I'll shoot. Let me see more. Wow. How you doing?
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Oops. Oh, British motor. England.
Yeah.
Yes.
India.
Oh yeah?
Royal Enfield, India. Not English.
Oh, okay.
Not UK.
Wow, look at this, guys. Ah. That looks sick, man.
Sightseeing? Sightseeing? What?
Yes, just walk.
Sightseeing?
Yeah. Up garage. Yeah. Just walking. Just walking, you know. Wow. Beautiful. That's sick, man. I'll show you my bike.
Yeah, nice. You, California?
Yes. From, let's see. Maybe it's better. Translate.
Yeah. Dirt race.
Dirt race?
Yeah. Event.
Yeah. When's the next one?
Next, my event, next year.
Oh, next year?
Yeah.
Beautiful, man. It's like dirt, right? Dirt. Like dirt. Yeah, race in the mud or track. Is it racing on the dirt?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes. Sand over.
Yes.
Yes. This bike is...
Trackers.
Yeah.
Trackers. Yes.
This bike is Royal Enfield.
Oh yeah, Royal Enfield.
Yeah, Royal Enfield maker collaboration bike.
Mhm. Nice. What year? What year?
This shop.
What year is the bike?
This bike.
Yes.
New bike.
Oh, yeah?
2025.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And you made all this?
Yes.
Are you sponsored?
Yeah.
Are you sponsored by Royal Enfield?
Yeah, this bike, yeah, Royal Enfield.
They gave it to you.
Money and bike. I get.
Uh huh.
I get the Royal Enfield give me
Yes.
bike and money. Please make.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And you ship it back.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, so you don't race yourself?
No.
Only build?
No. Build and race.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Beautiful, man. Good shop.
Royal Enfield. Royal Enfield.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this bike.
That's your bike?
Yeah.
Oh, that's this one.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, yes.
Yeah, official.
Official?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, man. That's crazy. Wow, I'm talking to a legend.
No.
Legend. I was about to you. That's awesome, man. Crazy. I was literally just walking down the street and I saw that bike outside and I just asked him if I can take a picture and record it, and he said yeah, and then come to find out this guy builds them officially for Royal Enfield. Like, that's insane. Like, what a crazy chain of events. Absolutely nuts. Just literally walking down the street doing nothing. Crazy. Look at his bike. Look at his swing arm. Said it's brand new, 2025. He makes all this stuff himself. That's crazy.
Number shop. Cheetah custom cycle.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is, guys. Thank you. Arigato. Kazuma. It's awesome, man. I won't take up too. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, Japan size. Yeah, I just whack my head on this thing. But I won't take up too much of your time. Thank you so much. Arigato gozaimasu. I appreciate you.
Yeah, thank you.
Over there too. Is there any local motorcycle events soon? Is there any local motorcycle events soon?
No.
No?
No.
It's winter.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Makes sense, man.
Next my event next year, January 3 January.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll be here. Here?
Here, near restaurant
Where's
in Kawagoe.
and Kamakura?
Kawagoe.
Can I have your Instagram? You have Instagram? Do you have Instagram?
Yeah. This Cheetah Tokyo.
Second, I add you now. My channel is Zuma God Garage. It's this is my scooter.
Yeah.
All scooters, you know. That's what I do. Thank you so much. Arigato gozaimasu. This guy's a legend. Arigato.
またね。バイバイ。
Bye bye. Beautiful bike again. Crazy. You Willie? Awesome. What's it? Good. Thank you again.
Yeah.
Sure. What a crazy chain of events. I originally saw the scooter, and then I saw this chrome wild fin in the back. And I just had to ask him, and he ended up being like the coolest guy and a low-key legend, like building bikes for Royal Enfield. That's crazy. So how lucky am I? If you like that little video, man, you guys know what to do. I appreciate everyone for watching. That's crazy. I hope I bump into more wild stuff like that. And yeah, appreciate you guys. Peace.